Sherborne Motor Lodge offers quality 4-star motel accommodation in a unique native garden setting, close to Christchurch's central business district and Edgware shopping precinct. Choose from a range of self-contained units, studio, 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom. Our units are ideal for families or small groups and are spacious, quiet and decorated to a high standard. With each unit having wireless internet access, TVs with Freeview and well-appointed kitchens and bathrooms, some having double spa baths. Complimentary express breakfast is included in the room tariff for all persons. We also have 2 ground floor special access units with bathrooms fitted out accordingly. Guest laundry facilities are on site and off-street parking is available to all guests and visitors. We also offer complimentary newspapers from Monday to Friday. Our guests often comment on how quiet and spacious our units are and that they're very well appointed. For business or pleasure, our units offer a great range of features to make your stay enjoyable, and you can start each day refreshed. Book online at www.sherbornemotorlodge.co.nz. We look forward to welcoming you to Sherborne Motor Lodge, 94 Sherborne Street, St Albans, Christchurch 8014, New Zealand.